Wanabiashara mwisho ni let's go.
DG and Vice President, anyone who is earning 30,000 and below in Kenya should not pay as you earn. You pay zero. And then there is the next bracket. We are reducing the tax rate for those who are earning between 30,000 and 50,000. We are reducing the tax rate because already if you are earning from 33,000, you pay 30%. 33,000 going up, you pay 30%. We are reducing that also, that bracket between 30,000 and 50,000. So you only pay 25%. We reduce that by 5%. So those who are earning 50,000, first you will benefit because your first 30,000, you pay zero. Then the next 20,000, you pay 25%.